Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pit Bulls. Hey, are you glad that the carpet saga is finally over? I am. It ain't perfect, but it's better, and I'm trying not to walk across it with a cup of coffee slopping stuff everywhere. Yeah. So I have to go to a to-do in Chicago, in a Chicago suburb, and I needed some shoes, and I love these shoes, but this is what happened to them. So I like scratched it and peeled it, and yeah, it looks a little craptastic right now, but I got a feeling it's going to be fabulous, and I'm making ruby slippers. So let's go ahead and finish painting and get another coat. I wanted to show you what the original color was and how this, oh man, I need one rag. Okay, I got one rag, one wad of paper towels. And my brush is still wet, but I want to get this paint off of it. And then we'll wipe it again. Get the water out of it. Okay. Set that one to dry. I'm going to put the second coat on this. I'm using my Bria Reese in cadmium red. I think eventually this is going to cover pretty good. And it don't have to be perfect, and I'm going to tell you why, because I was going to throw these shoes away. So they just have to be fabulous for like one night. Chanda and I got married in India, but they wanted to have a party for their American friends, and evidently they know a bunch of people in Chicago, so that's why it's up there. And hopefully I'm gonna meet Renee. I have invited her. I RSVP'd for me and her, but I gotta figure out how I'm getting up there. Haley's gonna tell me tomorrow if she can drive. If not, I have to take the train, which is fine. Get in there. Look at my little red shoes. My Wicked Stepsister sized shoes. I don't have Cinderella feet. I have Wicked Stepsister feet. One more coat on that, and we can like start the glitter-tasticness. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this other shoe. And if it needs another, wow, I did a terrible job on that. I didn't think to pick it up and actually look like that. I might have even been sitting down doing that. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Here are my shoes. I have in my possession 3 types of red glitter glue. I have pomegranate and rouge, and just a Studio G from Walmart. And I am mixing them in this disposable thing I got from Red Robin when we had our employee luncheon catered. I can tell right now I need more, so I am just doing this, and I popped this thing. Shake that. Whoops. There it is in there. Okay, like so. And give it a quick, like so. I don't know if this is going to work. That's half the fun, right? Right. Hey, my brakes got here. My parts for my car. I'll message the dudes. Waiting for them to message back. Okay. I guess I'm just going to go for it. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I think the trick's going to be just to lay it on. Because it went on really good, and then I messed with it. I'm just going to have to do 2 layers. Yeah, I can see. It's going to have to be a layer thing, just like the paint. Look at me flinging glitter everywhere. Get the back. Huh. It'll be a process. Trust me, I'm a professional. Right? I wonder if I have like a loose that I could shake on there. I bet I do. So after the next coat, while this is drying, I will look for that glitter. And I'll be back. Okay, I did find some glitter. However, I think it's pink, but at this point, I don't care. And I used up one whole container on the other shoe, so I have to be more frugal. More frugal. And careful. Be careful. I just read that Aretha Franklin always demanded to be paid part of her fee in cash for performing, and she wouldn't perform until the fee was paid, and it was like $25,000. She would keep it in her purse on the stage with her. Why didn't I think of that? So it's pink, but it's okay. It's okay. I didn't look like everywhere down there, so just did the grab and go. To do that. Oh, dang. The herpes of the craft world. Glitter. Glittertastic. Glitter fabulous. Okay, let's just let that dry for a while. And then there's no place like home. Hello, look at, behold my ruby slippers. And I sealed them. I'll brush them before I go. But I am beyond pleased. And Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Mine, 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 mine. Where is my book? I saw it, and it was right here. So, grab yourself an old pair of shoes and some paint and some glitter glue and some glitter. Can you believe it? I made me some ruby slippers. Ruby slippers, number 76. Ruby slippers. I'll get a picture of me wearing them. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Please subscribe. I need friends. I'm just so tickled. Oh, I am easily amused and easily satisfied, but look at my shoes.